So today I wanted to show you guys how to set up a poll inside your WhatsApp message. So to do that, obviously we need to choose which message we'll be setting this up in. I've kind of put these dots here so you couldn't see my messages. But what we're going to do, pretty simple. We're going to go down here to the plus sign and we're going to find poll. And now inside this poll, this is where we're going to set up the questions and the answers. So for example, we'll do... Okay, so pretty straightforward question. Do you know how to set up a poll on WhatsApp? And now for our options, we'll do no, yes, kinda, and then what? Okay. So it's pretty straightforward. We can exit out of here. And these options over here, these three lines, these are actually the drag and drop controls. So if you wanted to switch the order of these, all you got to do is press, hold, move up or down. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And yeah, that's all I have for questions. And then you'll hit send. And that's going to send the poll to your group. And then as people respond, you'll see their answers here. So yeah, that's all we have for today. Hope this helped. If you could like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.